Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Supplies you'll need is scissors and a sock. That's it. If you want to be fancy, you can get a needle and thread, but you don't even have to do all of that. Here is a sock, and all you need to do to create the donut bun is to cut it at the foot. This is old school, okay? This is me cutting. Remember, I didn't have a donut bun, so I had to use what I had in the house, and all I did was cut a sock and roll it up. If you want to be a part of the A gang, like, share, and subscribe.